G'day everyone, it's Chriso. It's a absolute beautiful day today. Now what I did yesterday was I waterproofed all the shower. I'm putting in a strip drain. So what I've done here is waterproofed on top of my screed. I prefer to waterproof on top of my screed when I'm doing a strip drain. So what I've got is I've got fall down here. I've got fall that way as well. You'll see when I lay these tiles. First of all, I need to put a bit of mud in there just to support my edge. The edge of my tile. I've had this mixed up for half an hour or so it's starting to go off a little. So it's just a little bit of support for the edge of my tile. Nice. Okay. I've pre-cut these. So I'll spread out a bit of glue and I'll show you how I've done it. Here also, hang on, here also, that's my water stop. So my first tile goes in like that and I've mited this edge. For my next row out here, that'll all be mited, and that water stop will just look like a grout line and that aluminium gets covered, but it's coming up halfway through my tile, so no water will come past that point out here, but I've waterproofed out here a bit anyway. I'm still using a 12mm notch trowel. Only because it was the cleanest one. Haha, no, I'm only kidding. I like to I could have gone a little bit smaller, but I'm going over a waterproof and it could have a lump or so here and there. Right, directional trowel. All my fall is coming down here. So which way would my lines go? They'd all go this way. You're probably saying to yourself, yeah, but he's stuffing up now. No, he's not. Pop that one down, the first one. Like so. Next one. I like having a nice joint. If it's going to be split, join it nicely. That I will put in there, but I need to build it up with a little bit of glue. These tiles are a pressed edge tile, so they have a slightly rounded edge. So they are very easy to lay. $1.5 mm grout line. Nothing is going to, no lines are going to line up in this bathroom because what I'm using on the walls, it's going to be brick bond subway tile. So no lines line up. And there you have it, my cuts. I've got to put in that piece. Put in that little piece, Chriso. A little piece like this, don't worry about your glue that's going to come up. Oh, I put that in the wrong way, didn't I? Jesus, I stuffed up that. That was the wrong piece. It's for that. That's for there. You fool. God.